Hello, my sewing friends. My name is Daria. I'm a professional tailor, and today I want to show you a quick and simple tutorial on how to sew an elastic waistband on a sweatpants. Here are my sweatpants. I need to finish this part, and that's why I decided to share this information with you. The biggest challenge here is to define the right length of the elastic. It sounds obvious, but the most mistakes could happen here in this step. If the elastic is too tight and wide, as mine is, it could make too much pressure on your stomach and feel uncomfortable. But if the elastic is very thin or not so strong, it could slide your pants down. So the thing is to define the right length, as I told you. As my elastic is quite firm and wide, here is the process how I am going to define the length. Interesting. I want to measure it right on my waist. Not tight, not loose, because I'm going to wear pants like this, a little bit lower. The waist is the right. Here is my waist. Measure which part. Yes, I'm going to cut right here. And then with a ½ inch overlap, I'll stitch seam allowances together, making a circle. Now I fold my elastic loop in half and mark there's gonna be actually my pants are quite symmetrical. This means that front is the same length as the back, so I can mark quarters, aligning these marks here. So my first marks will go to the side seams and this center front and center back seams. I'm pinning my seams to the markings. Then you can see the elastic loop is smaller than my real pants. So while sewing, I need to stretch the fabric. For my convenience, I'm going to pin them often. If you are a beginner, it's better before going to overlock or serger to make a straight stitch along the edge. I'll go straight through the serger. Now I need to overlock this edge, the elastic and the main fabric together. I'm stretching, pulling the fabric to align them straight. Be careful with needles. Now, as you can see, the elastic isn't sitting flush against the waist. The fabric is quite heavy and dense, so the elastic stretched out a bit under the serger stitching. I measured it right on the waist and now it sits lower. But I need to fold it, and here it is. It's perfectly fine. Not on the waist, not loose, right in the place where I wanted it to be. So the next step is to make a stitching line down here. How do you like it? Ooh, it's nice. Feels good. So now I'm folding. This is the edge of my elastic. And pinning. I want to make just 4 pins along the seams to make sure they are on the right place and not shifting, sliding while I do stitching final stitching line. There are many ways how to make the waistband, elastic waistband on this kind of pants, but this is the simplest. So now I need to make a stitch line here, somewhere here. Let's go to the sewing machine and I will show you one more hack. How to make a straight stitch far from the edge. I need to measure my seam allowance. It's 5 centimeters or 2 inches. Then I needed like 1 3/4 inch or 4 centimeters. On my industrial sewing machine I'm going to use this guide. It's a magnet. It will help me to define the line where my edge should go. And on the domestic machine I just made like mark with my simple pencil or pen. And now I'm gonna do a stitch. Here is my guide. And I need to pull my fabric as well. It's not easy, I know. But I do my best. Yoo-hoo, this is it. Let's see, what do we have? It's pretty good, straight. Straight here as well. Yay! So our quick tutorial is over. We did this elastic. The fabric is thick, elastic is thick, but everything works perfectly together. I am happy. Thanks for your support and your likes. See you soon.